So one item paid for the box? Yes, one item paid for the box. Oh, what was the item? It was from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It was a brow definer, and we were able to make a choice on the shade or the color, and I picked medium brown. Granted, I am not one to use this, so this will wind up in the Find a Future Home box, yet this is a $26 product, and the box is $25. So this paid for the November box, so everything else is free. Oh, that's nice. And the box does come with a little brochure with a lovely person on the front and information in here that tells us about the items. I highlight things so I have half a clue of what I'm talking about. The next item that came, I wish they would have given us a choice on that one. Why is that? Because there's more than one shade and it was the luck of the draw as to what you get. I wish we could have had a choice to pick from those shades there. Oh, that would have been nice. Yes, that would have been nice, but it is what it is. So it is a full-size Kylie Cosmetics matte liquid lipstick, a retail of $21. And I got this shade here, which is not really my vibe, I guess. I don't know if that's still the current word. So this will stay packaged up and will go into the Find a Future Home box and be a gift or a giveaway item. The shade on this is 707. This looks like a hydrating cream. Yes, according to the brochure, this is from Obagi. It is a hydrating cream that was full size. It's $62 in retail for 50 milliliters. It's supposed to improve your skin tone. I got a little sniff of it and it doesn't seem to have a scent. Your allergies are going to be happy about that. Oh, yes, they will be. It says improving skin tone, pure form of vitamin C to make skin smoother and more radiant. And you can use a pump or two to clean skin, both in your morning or night routine. So after you cleanse your skin, a little bit of a hydration from this one, and you're good to go. We are halfway through the box, and Anne has decided that her favorite item so far is the hydrating cream. And now moving right along with this video, and by the way, if you like what you're seeing here, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you like what you're seeing regarding the Allure box, I have a link in the description box down below that will save you, I believe it is $10, and this is a $25 box, so that would make it $15. And now moving right along with this video. This is a Fenty fragrance called Fenty. This is the travel size, which is fine for my use because I'm not a big perfume person, although I will say with all these subscription boxes, my perfume repertoire is improving. So this is Fenty, and that is the sample size, 10 milliliters. Full size is 75 milliliters at $140. And it is said to have notes of warm musk, which really is not my favorite, yet the other two, rose and wintry tangerine. I got that scent when I gave it a little spritz. I got those two scents more than I did the musk. So this is a good keeper. Yes, and this is a good way with subscription boxes to try out different products, especially when they're sample size. Give it a try. This next item is a skin oil from Allure Therapy. And this is a sample size at 10 milliliters, 30 milliliters for the full size at $59. Allure Skin Therapy Multi-Perfecting Night Oil Serum. And it says that one of the things that we will love about it is it makes our skin feel smoother and bouncier. So you put it on at night, and in the morning, you will feel smoother and bouncier skin. I took a little sniff, and there's really not much of a scent to this one. So this is another plus for me and my allergies, because sometimes scents do bother allergies. And I'm more willing to also try something different if it's a sample size, rather than open up a full-size product, discover you don't like it, or it doesn't like you, and then it winds up in the trash or it winds up sitting there never getting used. This next item is a hair mousse from Mychi. I admit it has been a long time since I've put mousse in my hair. However, at a sample size, again, I'm willing to give this a try and see what it does or doesn't do. It is a sample size that we have received. Full size is 7.5 ounces for $23. It's supposed to give your hair tons of body. After showering, rake a little through damp hair and then style as usual. And like I said, it's been a while since I've used mousse. And in this month's box, there's an extra item. Yes, normally we get 6. This time we got 7. This is from Eva NYC. It is a hair mask. There were 2 different options, and it was the luck of the draw as to which one you would receive. Ours is Main Magic 10-in-1 Shine Mask powered by argan oil and neem oil. And this is 0.68 fluid ounces in this little packet. And in all honesty, for my length hair, this is easily 2, probably 3 uses, maybe even 4. So a nice sample size. Is there anything else in the book to tell us more information? I don't know. Let me see. That was 20 milliliters sample size, $16 for 250 milliliters if you purchase it. And basically, after shampooing, or rake the mask through your hair, rinse after 3 to 5 minutes. Anne has decided that in this half of the box, her 2 favorites are the perfume and the styling mousse. What did you see in here that you liked? Comment down below and let us know, because I'm a nosy camel. And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, this is a $25 box. You can get it at a lesser price if you sign up for a 3, 6, or 9, or 3, 6, 9, 12. Yes, I can count. Believe it or not. But for a monthly box, this is $25. We do have a link in the description box if you're wanting to try it. Will save you some money. Normally, you get 6 items. Sometimes we get more, like today. And of the 6, normally 3 are sample size and 3 are full size. So I've enjoyed this box, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Me too. Come back for more. Like, comment, subscribe, and notification bell, because we got fun things going on this holiday season. Yes, we do. We hope to see you in another video. Thanks for watching.